Hi, so welcome to another video. So this video, we're going to be looking at the ideal gas equation. So using PV equals nRT to answer a particular question. So the question today is, calculate the volume of dry CO2 produced at body temperature, which is 37 degrees Celsius and 98.3 kilopascals when 24.5 grams of glucose is consumed in the reaction. So the reaction that we're given in the question is C6H12O6 aqueous, which is glucose, plus 6O2 Okay, so this is the equation we're given. So glucose plus oxygen. So we've got 6 oxygens there, 1 carbon dioxide, and we've got 6 waters there. So the information that was given in the question was the temperature equals 37 degrees Kelvin, which will be plus 273 gives us 298 Kelvin. So 37 degrees Celsius plus our 273 gives us our 298 Kelvin. So we've got our pressure, which equals 98.3 kilopascals, and we've got our glucose, which equals 24.5 grams. So the formula we're going to use today is our PV equals nRT. So if we rearrange for the volume, so nRT divided by P, because our volume is what we're trying to determine. Our R is the constant that we will use for kilopascals, and Kelvin would be the 8.314. Now we need to convert grams into moles. So we're given the grams of glucose and we want to know the volume of O2. So we need to know here the moles of the O2. So to do that, if we work out the moles of glucose, so it would be the number of moles is the mass divided by the molecular weight. So the molecular weight of glucose is 180.1. So that would give me 0.136 mole. So if I've got 0.136 mole, 6 times that would give me my O2 moles, which is what I need. So therefore, my number of moles of my O2 would equal 6 times 0.136. So it would equal 0.8162. So putting this into the equation here, 0.8162 times 8.314 times 298 divided by 98.3. So therefore the volume would equal 21.4 litres of CO2. Okay, so 21.4 litres of CO2 would be produced. Okay, so 21.4 litres of CO2 would be produced if you have 24.5 grams of glucose, at 37 degrees Celsius, 98.3 kilopascals, using the PV equals nRT. So thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.